Good morning. Today our topic is remainder theorem. In last class we discussed long divisional method. Now what is remainder theorem? The remainder theorem is if Px be the any polynomial, Px is the any polynomial. For example, Px is equal to x square plus x minus 5. Px is equal to x square plus x minus 5. And gx is equal to x plus x minus 2. Gx is equal to x minus 2. So if Px be any polynomial and its degree, here degree of polynomial is 2. Good. Degree of polynomial is, you can reply the answer if I ask. Degree of polynomial is 2, Arnav. Right?
Yes, sir.
And degree of polynomial in Gx is 1. Here is 1, x minus 2. So degree of polynomial, this polynomial must be greater than this, or we can say this must be greater than equal to 1. To apply remainder theorem, first condition we need a polynomial and its degree must be greater than equal to 1. And then we let a is any real number. A is any real number.
Real number.
Yeah. Then x minus a. Statement हम लिखेंगे, मैं explain कर रहा हूँ. Statement already written on the board also and your book also. Then x minus a is a polynomial, another polynomial. For example, see here, Px is equal to x square plus x minus 5 and Gx is equal to x minus 2. In last class we discussed a long division method to find out the remainder. So what we have done? We have done this whole polynomial divided by x minus 2 and whatever be our remainder, that is our remainder. Now for this apply the remainder theorem. The degree of this polynomial must be greater than equal to 1, first condition, and this x minus 2 is a factor of this equation. So for that I assume random number a. So a is any real number, then x minus a is another polynomial. That's, for example, in this case a is 2. In our case a is 2. So then Pa is the remainder. Whatever the value of Pa, then that is the remainder. In our situation, A is 2. So you find out the value of P2, that gives you remainder. The remainder theorem states that Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. And let a be any real number if Px is divided by x minus a, then Pa is the remainder. Right? So note down this and you can read from your book also. So for example, this one. Our aim is to calculate the value of P2 Then if you calculate P2, so whatever the value of P2, that is the remainder of this equation. But the problem is this one, if Px is equal to x square plus x minus 1 is a polynomial divided by gx is equal to x minus 2, then what is the remainder? This is your problem. So by remainder theorem, how to solve it? The solution of that problem. Note down solution. Given polynomial is, note down language, given polynomial is Px is equal to x square plus x minus 5. That is your equation number 1. Then note down next line. Now if Px divided by x minus 2, now if Px divided by x minus 2, then zeros of x minus 2 is the 0 of x minus 2, then x equal to 2. If you put it this x minus 2 equal to 0, so what is the value of x? It comes out 2. So the remainder of the given polynomial is P2. What is the language? The remainder of the given polynomial is P2. Therefore, we have to calculate P2. P2 is equal to, in place of x substitute 2, so 2 square plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 5. So P2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 minus 5. Then 2 square is 4 plus 2 minus 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So, if Px x square plus x minus 5 divided by x minus 2, then according to remainder theorem, its remainder is P2. And the value of P2 is comes out 1. So, its remainder is 1. This is the answer. Now next question, you have to solve it. Question number 2. Note down the problem. If Px is equal to x cube. Question number 2. Px is equal to x cube plus minus ax square. X cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Is divided by x minus a. It means gx is x minus a now. In the previous question, gx is x minus 2, now x minus a. Find the remainder. I repeat it again question. Find the remainder. Px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a divided by gx is equal to x minus a. Find the remainder. Language. What the language we write down? So let solution. Let px is equal to this. Now I explain language also. Please be careful here. So let px is equal to x cube minus this. When px divided by x minus a, when px divided by x minus a, the remainder is, with the above remainder theorem we can say, so the remainder is, remainder theorem, apply the remainder theorem. Remainder is, what is remainder according to remainder theorem? Here x minus a divided by the 0 polynomial, it's become x equal to a. So remainder is PA. Remainder is PA. Now substituting x equal to a. Now substituting x equal to a in px. Now substituting x equal to a in px. Then calculate the value. Therefore px की वैल्यू बताइए आप लोग कैलकुलेट करके. Calculate the value of PA.
5a.
PA is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. So this a cube to a cube cancel out, it comes out 5a. So hence the remainder is 5a. Answer. Hence remainder is 5a. Now open your NCERT book. Hence remainder is 5a. If you like this, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.